you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this must feel a little bit weird for you because you're used to Dave usually holding the camera now, but I'm vlogging again. Dave is still here. He's not fired. He's here. No, you're not supposed to be over there. You can work over there. We actually just finished filming another YouTube video like a couple minutes ago. It's only halfway through the day and I've got a lot of stuff going on here today. Before I tell you what we're gonna do in this video, I just finished cleaning out the garage because the coilovers on the race car have to come off of the race car so that they can go on the demo car. But you guys probably already know this. The demo car has a cracked oil pan, so I can't drive it like that. I tried JB welding it originally, and then I talked to my friend Chris over at Castro Motorsport, and he told me I really should not drive the car like that with the JB weld. So he offered his lift to me for me to go and drop my subframe, replace my oil pan, everything like that. So we're gonna go over there tomorrow. So I figured while my demo car is up on the lift, I could maybe do the suspension, but the suspension that's on the race car is the suspension that's supposed to go on the demo car because I got new suspension for the race car. So it's a lot of stuff going on right now. So what I did earlier today was I actually took my oil pan off of my old VQ. So here's the old VQ that came out of the car originally. I took the oil pan off of this today. It's sitting right there. It's all prepped, ready to go over to Castro Motorsport with me tomorrow. And like I said, while my car is up on the lift, I'm hoping that I can just do the suspension while I'm over there. So what we gotta do is we gotta take the coilovers off of the race car primarily. I would like to put the new coilovers on the race car, but I'm gonna see how much time I have because I'm rushing. It's a busy day, it's a super busy day. So Dave is still here, Dave's not fired. Cam is here, Cam's chilling. Everybody's here, everybody's working. Dave, you're still gonna edit this video. I don't care if you film it or not. I'm not editing this, I don't wanna edit this. So I'm gonna back the race car into the garage right now, start pulling the coilovers off of that thing, and then I'm just gonna start. Another thing is when this whole, what do I call this?
Before the Rivus.
Not even the Rivus. What can I call it?
It's the Rivus.
No, the 5G.
The 5G.
The 5G. Before the 5G, I had my car dropped off at Extreme Wraps to get the new livery. And then the 5G kicked in and everything got shut down and the world went into a complete lockdown. So we started taking my wrap off of my car, and this is how far they got before the 5G kicked in. So then I had to go pick up the race car from the wrap shop. So Wisdom is no longer on the door, but Wisdom is. Wisdom is on the door because of the 5G.
For all the Russians out there.
We're missing it. Do you want to just color it in with the blue Sharpie?
Wisdom. Oh yeah, we could, huh?
Yeah, we could just color it in with a Sharpie right here.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
There you go. You're doing good. You're doing great. No, what? The W needs a triangle at the bottom.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, it's permanent. Okay, it's fine.
It's permanent marker.
It's fine. Right?
You're supposed to connect right here. And they go down.
That's the worst fucking W ever.
This is literally the worst. There you go.
Right. Okay.
It's fantastic. It's great.
That's all you need.
That's it.
Well, there you go.
First, let me tell you guys, if you have not tried kombucha, literally try it. You can thank me later. It's so good. This is a tribute to Amelia, to E-Crew. Tribute to E-Crew right now.
Hey, E-Crew, we out here. PTT time.
So I'm literally just eyeballing where the center of the fender is. And then I'm measuring down to the bottom of the tape measure where it bends. It should be about 25 inches, 23 and a half inches off the ground. My ride height is a little bit off, but when I measure the coilover, the actual coilover, that's how I'll be able to tell. What are you doing? Mom sent me a present in the middle of the video. This is my mother's second appearance on my YouTube channel. Only because she doesn't live here. If she lived here, she'd be in here all the time. Can you see me now?
You're in there, but there, that's better.
Gloves!
Oh!
I literally needed these! I literally ran out of gloves today. I was like, oh my gosh, I have no gloves.
You just told her over the phone.
Oh, shout out to Mom. Thank you so much for saving my hands. You're a little bit too late because I already broke 2 fingernails today, but it's all good. And I think this is like, whoa, she sent me 2 sets of gloves. I'm so happy. I don't even know what else is in here, but I'm happy about this. All right, cool. Let me break these lugs loose on this car now that I measured the fender to the ground. Alright, so as you guys can see, these coilovers are in pretty good shape. Nothing's wrong with them. I'm going to put these ones on the demo car. Should be fairly simple to take these off today. I should just have to take off this bolt right here and then the 3 that go right up to the top. But like you can see, these coilovers are in perfectly good condition, so I'm going to take these off so they can go in the demo car. Alright, so I already took the strut bar off the top in the engine bay. I loosened the bolts for the coilovers up at the top, and looking at this, I'm 99.9% sure I'm supposed to take this lower control arm off so that I can drop this side down so that this will come out freely, and then I can just drop everything at once. But mind you, I'm in a rush because I got a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm gonna try to just take this bolt off for the coilover that attaches to the lower control arm and just hope that it works. It's probably not gonna work, but wish me luck. Shoot! I got it. I knew it. I could just compress the coilover. I don't wanna. Oh, I wonder if I can take these out from down here. If I can take these out from down here with a 12 mil, where's my 12? I'm literally so lazy. I don't want to drop this camera arm at all. If I can take these out, yes, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. If I can get this bolt out of the plate, then I won't have to drop the camera arm because then the plate will be flat. And then like technically this is just like a nut and bolt situation. So like I could just thread these back in later and then put the nut on the top and it'll be the same but different. I'm gonna hurt myself. I can feel it. Ow! I knew it. I literally stabbed my chest into my... Ow! Oh, God.
Man down!
Dude, my chest literally just went right into the lug nut.
I'm gonna have to finish this.
Oh, God. Like my friggin... What is this? What is this? What is this part?
Your life?
Ow! And my arm! Oh, my God. Holy crap, my leg's great. Oh...
Alright.
I'm not dramatic, I promise.
Let's.
Not even slightly dramatic in any way, shape, or form. I wish I had an electric ratchet. If somebody wants to, I will literally set up a P.O. box if somebody wants to get me an electric ratchet. Oh, barely. Barely.
Oh. It's not even on the jack stand.
Oh my gosh, it's literally so close. I can't even believe how close it is. I know. Oh wait, yes!
Oh!
Yes!
Oh!
We got it!
Oh!
This was loose.
Like a 10-hour later type thing.
I need to really start nut and bolt checking my car, but we got it!
Good job, Lynch.
Oh gosh. I still gotta do the other side.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Alright, so I finally got the passenger side front coilover off of the car. If you guys want to be able to take their coilovers off of the car without disconnecting the lower control arm, I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. Usually the coilovers are held on by a nut and a bolt. Usually the bolt is already threaded into the coilover, but you're going to have to take both of them off. So you take off the nut at the top first. The nut should be a 12 millimeter on the top, and then the bottom should be a 13 mil bolt. And then what you're going to do is there's a bolt right here on the Part Shop Max coilover. I don't know why that bolt is there. I'm assuming it's probably for when you get the ultra angle kit, which is the one that goes on the top and the bottom of the car, but I only have the lower control arms for the car. So you take this bolt out. You can put it back later if you want to, but you can take this bolt out and take off the little dampening hat on the top of the coilover, and you should be able to just slide it right out really easy. So that's what you got to do. It's a little bit more work, but to be honest with you, at least now my rotor isn't hanging and everything like that, and I'm not going to have to readjust all this stuff later. It's pretty much sitting in the same spot. I can just slip the new coilover on, jack that up a little bit, and then put it in the correct place, and it should be good to go. And I still have my same positioning on my coilover that the car had when the coilover was on it, so I can measure this now and make sure that the new one's going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the other side really quick. Alright, so I finally got the coilovers off of the race car. That's exactly what I needed to do today. I'm actually going to probably stop here because I have a couple things that I need to do to prepare to go to Castro's tomorrow with the demo car. So, I got the coilovers off of the race car. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make sure that the new coilovers that are going to go on the race car with the stiffer spring rate are the same ride height as the ones that I just took off of the race car. So I'm just going to adjust those really quick. Tighten everything up. I'll put the new coilovers on this car probably in a different day. Another thing that I'm going to include in this episode is I'm going to include putting on the bash bar on this car and the short throw shifter because we installed those a couple days ago. I knew I wanted to put it in this episode, but I wasn't sure exactly where it was going to fit. So I'll be back. Hey, that's the sound of success. Right.
The spring is supposed to, on unload, it's supposed to have,
It allows some cushion, right?
it's supposed to be snug, not squished.
Okay. Yes.
The more you squeeze this spring, the less suspension you end up with because the spring can only compress so much.
Right.
This is not supposed to be like this.
Yeah, you have
So
more
you do
experience.
the proper spring tension, meaning that very little tension on the spring. You load the spring. That's why it's called preload. And this is how you adjust your height. So you have full suspension, and then you have your height adjustment. Two completely different parts.
Okay. I found a 17 mil extension over here. Alright you guys, so that is all the race car updates that I have for you. I didn't want you guys to think that I forgot about this car. This is what this channel was originally all about, but the race car finally got some much needed TLC like it deserved. We finally got the new Part Shop Max coilovers on the front of the car. Also got this sick bash bar from Zakustak and Bade Polish, and I know I haven't really gotten to show this to you guys yet, but we did install the short throw shifter in this car too, and honestly, backing this car into the garage, literally driving it out of the backyard into the garage, like the short throw felt so much better. So really excited for all these updates, and if you guys have made it this far, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Might be a demo car video, might actually get to go drive. We'll find out. See you soon. Bye. Wow. I can't get it out of the styrofoam. Good thing this isn't an unboxing. Story of my life. Can't get new parts out of the packaging. Woo! What you doing?
What's happening there? Oh, it's a bug.
Get him, Cam! Get him, Cam. Oh, that's a bad one. Kill him, Cam.
Like a scorpion.
Ooh, good for you. Kill him. So I bought. Stop it. So I bought. Dad. I'm trying to talk.
Hey, my focus pull was on point right now.
Oh god, it's so tight under here still. I don't know if I can even get under here. Holy crap.
You're tiny. You can get under anywhere.
I'm glad it's me. You guys might have to hand me the tools because I can barely. Holy crap.
What size tools do you want?
Let me try a 12.
Okay, here's a 12 wrench. Try that.
Okay.
It's probably a 14.
Yeah, boy, it's a 12. What's good? Okay. Is this subliminal messaging with this trash can right next to the race car?